Is your Chrome browser eating all your RAM and slowing your PC to a crawl? You know the feeling. You have a dozen tabs open and suddenly everything starts stuttering. Your computer fans are spinning up, your cursor is lagging, and you are just stuck waiting for one single web page to respond. It is frustrating, right? Well, here is the good news. You do not need to restart your computer or install some shady cleaner tool. You can fix this right now. Learn how to kill memory hogging processes instantly using a tool that is already built into Chrome. In this tutorial, I will show you how to open Chrome's Task Manager, select the tasks you want to end, and free up memory in seconds. No complicated settings, no guesswork, just a quick, clean way to take control of what your browser is doing behind the scenes. So let us jump in. Start by opening Google Chrome. And I am going to assume you already have it running because that is probably why you are here. If Chrome is already open with a bunch of tabs, that is perfect. We want to work with the browser in its current state so we can see exactly what is eating up your memory. Now, look at the top right corner of your browser window. You will see three little dots stacked vertically. That is the menu button. Go ahead and click on those three dots. Nothing scary is going to happen. It just opens up a drop-down list of options. From that menu, hover your mouse over the option that says More Tools. Do not click away yet, just hover over it. A second, smaller menu will pop out to the side. This is where the magic happens. So from that side menu, click on Task Manager. And there it is. Chrome has its own built-in Task Manager, just like your computer has one for the whole system. This is where you can see exactly what each tab and each extension is doing to your computer's performance. And here is the really important part. In the Task Manager window, you will see a list of every single process Chrome is running. You will see each open tab listed by name, and you will also see things like extensions and plugins. And next to each one, it shows a column for memory usage. This is your gold mine. Now, here's the trick. You do not have to close these one at a time. You can select multiple tasks by holding down the Control key on your keyboard and clicking on each process you want to end. Maybe you have a news site that is using way too much memory, or a social media tab you haven't looked at in hours. Just click them all while holding Control. If you are on a Mac, use the Command key instead. Once you have selected all the memory hogs you want to shut down, go ahead and click the End Task button at the bottom of the window. And just like that, those processes are gone. You will notice your browser immediately feels lighter. The memory those tabs were holding onto is now freed up for your other applications. It is a really satisfying feeling. So that is it. A simple, powerful way to take back control of your Chrome browser without having to restart your computer or close everything you were working on. Now, when your computer starts to feel slow, you know exactly what tool to use. Give it a try the next time Chrome starts acting up, and you will wonder how you ever lived without it.